Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Looks Daily Update. We are going to start with the white paper and of course thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now to see. So what do we have right here with Looks, right? You can find it actually on KuCoin and on many other platforms right there. Check it out. You can find where to trade it at CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. It is very easy, right? But we are going to see a little bit the white paper because we need to see the token allocation. Is it good to invest? Do we have a non-mined, for example, opportunity, or can we mine it, right? Can we mine this altcoin? Can we increase the supply? Can the team burn the tokens, right, to decrease the supply? How much is the team going to get with the allocation? So the proceeds of the funds raised will be used to deliver on our goal of creating a peer-to-peer decentralized marketplace. Okay. We also intend to allocate a portion of the raised marketing in order to build LooksRare community and grow our community user base. A portion of the funds raised will be allocated to expanding the team and deliver the development task. So right here we can find the graph of the token allocation right there. Community, team, sale, advisors, reserve, liquidity, right? So you can see how the token distribution will be placed, and of course the community is getting an 8% while the team behind is getting an 8%. Advisors are getting another 2% as I'm seeing right here. Reserve takes a 12 and the 68% goes for the sale. Okay, so right here we can see that we can mine this through on Ethereum chain. On Binance Smart Chain it was not mineable, but you can mine it on Ethereum chain, right? The open supply was 1 billion, sorry, and you can see that yes, we can have an increase to the supply, which will cause probably a drop to the price, or the price will remain stable or go even higher if we have a more increase to the demand, right? It is not necessary that if a team burns the token, for example, we have an increase to the price, because many people are saying that when we have a burn to the token, we have an increase in the price. That is not necessary to happen. We need to have a same demand or an increase to the demand. If the demand goes down and we have a burn in the token supply, then usually we do not have it. But when the announcement comes off and we have a burn token, the demand usually increases as well, and therefore that's why the price goes down. So I would eventually say that it is not looking like a good investment. If you trust this project right here and what it wants to do, it has some nice dApps right there. LooksRare app, LooksRare Pro app right here, virtual interior design, home decoration, selfie, dress up app, and event decoration app. I'm not a fan mainly of what is going to do. However, if you are very good on it, and if you think that it will go good, you can invest by yourself. These all are not financial advices. Let's see the price targets right now and go to the technical analysis and the price analysis right here. If you want me to keep reading the white paper or what do I think about the project rather than only going with the technical analysis, please write it in the comment section down below. It would be very interesting to see if you want me to add more into the videos, more of the fundamentals, right, of an altcoin rather than only technical analysis. Anyway, we are drawing the trend-based Fibonacci extension from 14 March to the 31st and back to the 12th April. We need 3 points, 2 bottoms, 1 top to find it. So we're right here where we stopped at 2.08, which is the 0.382 trend-based Fibonacci extension line. You can check it out. Look at that. We stopped exactly upon the line, right? And eventually, if we just close above, then we will probably go to the next price target, which can be the 2.32, and of course the 0.618, which will be the 2.56. And of course, I think that, yeah, we are going to see that it is on the 4-hour frame as well. If you want to be more secured about where are we closing, you need to use the daily frame. But if you want to increase the risk a little bit so you can get earlier on a trade, then go to the 4-hour frame. 2.8. If we close 2.08, sorry, if we close above, then we go to 2.32 and 2.56 USDT. Exact price targets right there. And of course, let's see the technical analysis so we know if we are going to have a correction. Probably we are going to have a mini correction going on right here, but eventually we might be also in an impulsive wave mode, just like we were back there, right? So you can see that we might be getting down and then go up and then go down again, right? So eventually this doesn't mean the whole right here situation doesn't mean that we are going all the way down. On the other hand, on the daily frame, we have more room to grow, right? You can see the commodity channel index, stochastic RSI and the RSI have more room to grow and therefore we can potentially grow even more. However, on the short term, we have a little bit of a high risk. I'm going a little bit back so we can have the trend-based Fibonacci extension again. And of course, I'm going to draw for now mostly the support levels that we are going to have. So I'm going from this bottom to this top to find the best support levels. And you can see that we have one at 9.90, two at around 1.80 to 1.79, and three at 1.72, which will be a very nice buying pressure right there around there. I think that we are going to have another explosion now at 1.72, maybe at 1.81. Okay, these two support levels are very strong and we might be having a little bit of a buying pressure. So you know the next price targets, you know that probably we will be going down on the short term and then we are going higher. You know, in case we have a breakout, when to close above, and if we close above the 2.8, where are we going actually? And of course, this is it. I have given the exact price targets. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And of course, write in the comment sections, what do you think, right? Do not forget actually to join our monthly subscription as well. And see you soon with many more videos. Bye.